Good morning, children. Today we will learn a new chapter, that is data handling. Everyone open your book, page number 144, chapter 15. We know about the pictograph. Children, do you know what is a pictograph? Yes, children. Pictograph, when the information is represented through a pictures and symbols, it is called the pictograph. Are you understood? If you will giving a set of information is represented through a pictures or symbols, okay, it is called the pictograph. Pictograph have four parts. One is title, two is label, three is picture, and fourth one is symbol or key. Okay, it is a pictograph. This table is it is a pictograph. Now we reading how to reading a pictograph. Children, here is the title. It is the title activity given by the students. It is the title of the pictograph. These are the label. Various types of activity are there. It is the label. And it is the picture. These are the picture. It is shown the giving number of data. Okay, then key. Each smile is equal to 5 students. देखो, in the dance competition, how many smile? 3 smile. Each smile represent 5 students. देखो, each smile represent 5 students. Okay. Here, how many students take part in the dance activities? Yes, देखो, here one smile represent 5 students. Here 5 students, here 5 students, and here 5 students. Okay, so how many students take part in the dance competition? Here 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. So how many students take part in the dance competition? 15. Try to understand. Then music. How many students take part in the music competition? Here, how many smile? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smiles. Each smile represent 5 students. मतलब वो this smile with 5 students, 5 and 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 5. Multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. So how many students? Then 25. Here 25 students take part. Here 15. 25 students take part in the music competition. Okay. Then the drawing. How many smile? 1 smile. One smile represent 5 students. Then drawing, how many students? 5 students. 5 students take part in the drawing competition. Next the painting. How many smiles? 2 smiles. मतलब 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Or 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Okay, then painting competition, how many students take part? Yes, 10 students take part in painting competition. Then yoga, how many students take? How many smile? 1 smile. 1 smile मतलब 5 students. Yes. How many students take part in yoga competition? Yes, 5 students. Okay, in this way we have to read the pictograph table. Okay. Now I will ask some question. You have to reply. देखो. How many students have taken in dance? How many students taken in dance? How many students? Here 3 smile, मतलब 15 students. You have to write 15 students take part in the dance. Okay, देखो. You have to how many students? So 15 students take part in the 15 students take part in the dance competition. Okay, which activity is the most popular? Tell me which activity is most popular? Which activity? देखो here 15, 25, 5, 10, 5. So it is the most popular. मतलब music is the most popular competition. Okay. Then which activity is the least population? Least population मतलब सबसे कम. Drawing and yoga are the same. Here drawing and yoga are the least popular activities. Then total how many students are there in the class? Total number of students. How many number of students in the class? What we will do? Yes, we have to reply all the number. Sorry, we have to add all the number. 15 plus 25 plus 5 plus 10. Yes, add करो 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 5 plus yes 22 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 2 5 6 60 students. Total number of students take part in the activities are 60. Okay, in this way we have to read the pictogram. Let's the next example. Children, page number 149 देखो. Here देखो the following pictograph. The following pictograph shows the number of mangoes sold by the fruit seller in 4 days. Okay, a fruit seller sells mangoes in 4 days. He is selling. The picture of the mango represent. देखो here our title is mango sold by the fruit seller. It is our title. Here देखो each mango represents 15 mangoes और देखो here first day 5 mangoes 5 1 2 3 4 5. The second day 4 mangoes 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 mangoes. Okay, then the third day 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 mangoes. Okay, 7. And in the fourth day the fruit seller sells how many mangoes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this is all the mangoes sold by the fruit seller. Okay, this is our title. Our title is the mango sold by the fruit seller. This is the dates. 4 days. The fruit seller sells 4 days. It is the label and it is the picture. देखो here each mango represents 5. Our key, it is the key. Okay, each mango represent is equal to five mangoes. Each mango represent 5 mangoes. देखो here our question, how many mangoes are sold in the first day? Our question is how many mangoes sold in the first day? Here in the first day 1 2 3 4 5 mangoes. 5 mangoes मतलब one mango represents 5 mango. Here each mango जो 5, this mango represent 5 mangoes. Here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 mangoes मतलब 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. The first day the fruit seller sells 25 mangoes. Okay, then on which day everyone was present? On which day is the highest number of mangoes sold? Children, the question, on which day the highest number of mangoes sold? देखो on which day? Here on the 4th day 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 मतलब each mango represent 5 mangoes. 8 mango represent 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. Okay, is equal to 40 mangoes. The 4th day, on the 4th day is the highest number of mangoes sold. Okay, 4th day. Then the next question, on which day the least number of mangoes sold? Which day the least number of mangoes? Here देखो list 1 2 3 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 35. List देखो list number 20 is the least number. On which day? The second day. The fruit seller sold the least amount of mango on the second day. Next our question is, how many mango are sold in the first 2 days? How many mangoes are sold in first 2 days? First 2 days मतलब first day and second day. How many number of mangoes sold? We add 25 plus 20 is equal to 45. How many mangoes? 45 mangoes are sold in 2 days. Okay. Then what is the difference between the number of mangoes sold on the third day and second day? What is the difference? Difference between the third day and second day? Yes, first day third day how many mangoes sold? 35. Difference मतलब क्या? Minus second day 20. What is the difference? 15. You have to write the difference between the second and third day is 15. Okay children, in this way you have to complete the data handling. Okay, exercise 15.1 in your copy. Okay, this is all about chapter 15. Thank you.